This one is magic sponge which absorbs a lot of liquid, whether it's water, milk or any liquid, it can absorb easily. Here you can see this magic sponge is absorbing water so easily. It can absorb up to 250 ml of liquid. It's easy to clean it, just rinse it and squeeze it and it's ready to use again. Here you can see the milk is spilled on the kitchen slab and how easily this magic sponge cleaned all the milk. It's a multi-purpose product. You can clean your car, mirror, glasses, you can absorb water, you can clean kitchen slab, etc. So it's a multi-purpose product.